Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a nice trading session and strategy for binary options on a pocket option, of course. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. You can take part in my profit and of course see how much I gain at the end of the video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can increase your chances. Let's get started. So we're on the broker. Today we will start from $50. We will open on a 1 minute time frame as usual, and all currency pairs with the most optimal volatility I have selected and choose already as usual. Very interesting strategy, trend strategy today with zero chance of losing. We will add moving average, CCI oscillator, and a zigzag trend indicator, which will show us our local maximum and minimum points. So for the moving average, we choosing weighted average, leave the period at 10, don't change anything, increase its size and probably change the color, make a different color, right? So okay, now we will change the color of the zigzag. Let me just make some style here. So zigzag, as I said. And default settings for zigzag, guys, too. So let's Alright, and then we have the CCI oscillator indicator. We will set it with a period of 15 right now. Okay, click save. But let me change visualization too. Sometimes you just need some style to trade, so that's what I wanted. Okay, so this is the indicators for today, guys. An absolutely great strategy on the trend. Let's start. I'll select the first currency pair. Alright, here short position. I will now explain to you why we did this. The most interesting is ahead. Look, initially we can here look at there is the exit from the overbought area of our oscillator. Then we see the formation of a local maximum point along a zigzag. Then, of course, after the update we have dynamics. The movement should go down, and then we see the intersection of our moving average. Also from top to bottom, and this is triple signal, guys. That is the main principle of working with this strategy, and as you can see, the result is obvious. So we have 10 seconds, and first position is a great problem, or profit without problems, I mean. So easy, guys, easy signal, easy strategy with 0% of losses. So this is the particular entry into the trading into the position. Is the same principle with this strategy. So let's select the next currency pair. Alright, let's open here a long position. Here we open, of course, at the wrong time. That is when our intersection occurred precisely with the moving one, but in general the entry logic is absolutely the same, guys. And even now I will demonstrate to you that even opening are not at a completely effective level. In any case, our transaction will end up in plus. So just like in the previous transaction, we see a way out of the area oversold, then updating on the local minimum point and accordingly crossing our moving average from top to bottom. Again, we saw a triple signal here. Now we also have a little more than 10 seconds. And we are in a profit. That's great, guys. Okay, so as you can see, the strategy is really easy. We open short and long position, and even if we opening if our opening are not at the completely effective level, in any case our transaction is in profit just by this strategy. Okay, along here, guys, I'll tell you one nuance. So here you can also win back from our three signals. See, the basic entry principle, we have an exit from the oversold area. It has already happened in our oscillator. Then we still see the update of the local minimum point. The dynamic should also go up, and for us here the first intersection was from top to bottom, right? That is, if we don't look at this red candle, we look at the green candle. The intersection was also from top to bottom, and then we were shown a pullback in the form of this candle. And actually, on this pullback, we opened deal for a long, since our first intersection here was top to bottom, little less than 10 seconds, and we're gonna be in the profits right now. You see that? Damn, guys, without any problems, strategies works. Everything was still absolutely easy. You can also safely using this principle of entering transaction, but let's continue. Okay, long position again. We also opened on a slight pullback. Let's highlight the workspace. Of course, it was possible to open at more favorable level, but we still have a deal. It will go to in a profit 100%. Exit from the oversold area according to our oscillator. Update the local minimum point. The movement goes up for us. The local maximum is updated, and we see the first intersection which we formed from top to bottom. So we also did here long position, I mean open. Just like that, guys, we're in the profits. That's great. Now let's change the amount of the value. We opened again according to the same principle, and the deal was closed in a profit. So let's select the next currency pair and try to open a downward position. Okay, long position, guys. Let's open without crossing the moving average. Here I draw attention to the area of support that we have, and instead of the third signal, the intersection of the moving average. So we'll focus specifically on this area. Here our price rebounded and went up. I think we have a similar one here to the situation. The price will bounce up. We had an update of the local minimum point, and there was an exit from the oversold area, and accordingly the trade is opened for a long. Let's wait. And we are in a profits, guys. You can see that instead of the moving lines crossing, the third signal was the support area. At the very beginning of the trade, I said that she will win back. I mean the support area, it will win back, and it's done job. So let's change the value and open two positions in the next currency pair. Alright, guys, here we're gonna open two trades for a long. We open them at not entirely satisfactory level, but the newly selected currency pair shows very strong upward dynamics. Let's highlight the workspace. Firstly, it was noting 3 positions of the resistance area. Our price most likely tends to them. Then the local minimum was updated, and our price does not update its local maximum because most likely it tends to the area of resistance. Then we still saw an exit, a rebound in the future. Everything suggests that we need to open along the trend, and we in the boat area, and also it hasn't been crossed yet. So we're opening with the trend. As I said, guys, our price is tending to its first resistance area, and it has already done this. the local zigzag maximum has been updated, and our next positions is in profits. That's nice. Now, without any problems, let's change the amount. Alright, let's open here two long positions, guys, despite the fact that we do not have a very high payment percentage. But on the other hand, we have a good trend signal again. Most importantly, the crossing of the moving average has finally occurred, an update of our local minimum, and also second signal for opening a position for a long, and also an exit from the oversold area according to our oscillator. So let's watch the movement. Alright, our next positions is in profits, guys. Here weak volatility prevails on this currency pair, so it is possible a pattern is forming here because there are a lot of doji cats. You can see doji cats, right? And consolidation area is also visible here. So let's leave this currency pair alone. Alright, stay there, pal. And now to consolidate the results, select the final currency pair and open 3 positions for amount of 3,000. Alright, guys, 3 short positions. We have met all 3 signals, right? The Canon thing. So you can see it yourself. The first formation of a new local maximum, accordingly, after which our movement went down. Then the intersection of the moving average, after which the movement dynamic should go down, and a second signal. And this is the intersection of the overbought area, after which the dynamics of the movement should go down. All 3 signals are met, guys. Of course, it would be much better to open somewhere at this level when we saw the intersection, but in general I like the dynamics, and I think the dynamics of our movement will have to go down. So let's just wait. Bam and bam. Nice. All our final currency pairs is in profits, guys. I think, and I can see right now a great result on our balance. I think this is a great result. We started with $50, now we're close to 6,000. You know, in a few minutes I can get them. And operation successfully done. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel. Try the strategy. You saw that every position is in profit. We have a lot of money. I'm rich again, and have a good market. Bye bye.